Scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors. How's everybody doing? Welcome to Ccscraps Restoration Channel. We got a mail call. This mail call is from George, who want to watch restorations. We're going to open it up now and see what was sent up here. Thanks, George. Taped it up pretty good. There's my nice doll. There we go. All right. I love getting mail calls. They say cut away from yourself, right? We cut my own throat on camera. That would be terrible, wouldn't it? At least not before I see what's in this package, George. Oh. I think this is stuffing paper. Yep. Oh, what do we got here? Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff in here. What's going on, man? This is heavy. Okay. Tell you what, man, my wife may recruit you next fall or next Christmas to wrap presents, my friend. Ha ha. What do we got here? I have my glasses. Baby, you want to read this? I cannot read that. Oh, it's a diamond. Very cool pair of slip joints. Very cool, man. Thank you. What else you got in here? Is that another diamond? It's the glare in here. It's hard for me to see. I need a better set of eyes. This thing is cool. I always love getting channel locks. I can't read the name though. Is that a blue point? No way. Maybe blue point? Can you guys see that? I can't. It's just the glare. The lighting. Very cool. Thanks a lot, George. This is awesome, dude. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. All sorts of things. Ha 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 ha. Alrighty, now you're speaking my language. Absolutely. This is cool. Always love to get a nice ball peen hammer. Very, very cool, man. This is going to go right up on the wall. And this may be next on the old restoration list, then go down in the museum. Very cool. Nice handle, too, man. This is in pretty nice shape. Oh, man, I love the... This is what I love about vintage tools. Like, you know, you see that little ding there? Like, that's history right there, you guys. Very cool, man. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got here. Is this a pistol? I don't know. I'm like a little kid on Christmas. Have another hammer. Oh, what is this one? Is this a claw? Is this a claw hammer? Oh no, wait a minute. Is it? Dude, oh my God. I don't have one of these. Oh, is this a cobbler's hammer? Is this what this is? Dude, this is cool. Wow. I can't read the name on it. I do apologize. Can all y'all see that at home? Maybe we'll get Mrs. Ccscraps in here and be old Ccscraps' eyes. This is nice, man. Very cool, dude. You know what? This one might just stay as is, my friend. Very cool. Very cool. Yes. You oiled them up, too. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, we got a... I should have read the card first. Oh, all right. Just a couple of things I thought you would like. Oh, I'm not going to tell. There's something in here for you, baby. Thanks, man. You too, my friend. Take care, dude. This one might be for you. You want to open this one up on camera, or you want to wait, or you want me to open it?
You can open it.
This one's for you, though.
Okay. My arm hurts.
Oh, that's right. She got a, what did you get today?
Pneumonia.
A pneumonia shot, so her arm is all jacked up. I don't know.
I don't know. I can't lift nothing.
I don't know, baby. I might keep this one. You're going to crap your pants when you see this.
Okay.
You know what it is?
No.
Close your eyes.
What was it? Wow, that's really nice. Nice. That'll be excellent.
It's made in the USA. It's an eagle, baby.
Holy shit. Very nice. Thank you.
Say thank you. Peek over and say hey. Peek over.
Hi. Thank you.
Here's your Oilers, sweetheart. You put that in your collection.
Oh yeah, I love this one. It's very nice. Love it.
There's so many nice stuff, man. Thanks, George. Yeah, a body fender hammer. I don't have one of these either, believe it or not.
Oh, I
got 90 hammers, and I don't have a, and I don't have a body fender. Oh yeah, I'm keeping the hammer.
Oh no, I'm taking that one.
No,
That's part of my collection.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
No, you stick to the Oilers, I'll stick to the hammers.
Ask him. He'll let me have it.
He won't. No.
Yeah.
What else we got in here? This one's for you too.
Really?
Yeah, really?
Seriously? What is it? Oh.
Can you open it with your arm or no?
No. I can't hold anything.
Oh, okay.
It's the issue. It's just.
I might be keeping this one.
Yeah, nice. Oh,
That's
nice.
cool.
That's
That is
beautiful.
awesome, dude.
That's gorgeous.
I can't read what that says.
That and
I
my
have the bad
hammer
eyes.
is perfect. Thank you. You guys see this?
Got one more in here. This has got to be an Oiler too.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Wow. That's like the one that the Tin Man on the thing.
Oh gosh, I love it. Oh, I love it.
That is cool, man. It's a Plus. Model number, what's that say, 2225?
2225.
Where's it made? USA. Where's it manufactured? Can you read that?
I can't, because you're like...
Man, the light's weird in here. It's like a big glare.
I don't know why.
That is awesome, man.
Thank you.
Dude, bro. Seriously, man, thank you. Wife loves her Oilers. We'll put them up on a shelf for her. And I build her a nice shelf wherever she wants, because she's got some more outside, too.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks again, man.
Thanks for the hammer.
You have a happy holiday, my friend, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, my friend.